This is how you feed a baby bird. Even though she doesn't look like a baby, but she is a baby. Come here. Come here, Scarlet. Come here, Scarlet. Come here, Scarlet. Come on. Where's the babies? Where's the babies? There you go. And you give them cut up mealworms. Come here, Scarlet. Come on. They'll automatically open their mouth. This is how their mama feeds them. Come here, Scarlet. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on. Open your mouth. Come on. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Oh, I know. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Oh, I got babies. Oh, I got babies. She's a rescue bird. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, 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 oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't you get fussy with me. Come on. Good girl. Scarlet. Scarlet, baby. You eat it? She tries to eat on her own, but she can't yet. Come here. Come on. Good girl. Me and my animals. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. And she's a dove. But don't you get fussy with me? Come on. Good girl. Yeah.